The biker times the turns perfectly as he pretends that he is on a MotoGP circuit. He slashes his way through traffic until he reaches an inevitable fucking traffic jam. Come on. Not bad. Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another vloggy vlog. Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another vloggy vlog. How's everybody doing on this gorgeous Tuesday? And gorgeous Tuesday it is. Ooh, it looks like a mess over there. I think I'll ignore it, that off-road section ahead. Anyway, I want to jump right into the vlog. There's this one cheesy ass channel called Top 5 that took one of my clips without permission and used it. And they made it sound all freaking ridiculous, my writing. It's kind of hilarious. So my plan today is to try to emulate that style. So without any further ado, ooh, look at that Hummer over there. That's kind of dope. It's gonna be very hard for me but let me just this bicyclist is taking his sweet time. Come on, baby, come on. All right, okay, let's start. New York City, Brooklyn, running a red light because everybody else did. The biker is operating his motorcycle like a complete animal, obviously. I can't do it. It's hard. It's hard. Let's try again. Brooklyn, New York. Middle of coronavirus epidemic. We catch this biker on his way to his job. The rumor has it he's going to get the mail and to deposit some checks because he's reached his remote deposit quota, but we don't know for sure. The ride starts with the rider riding one-handed. At first, he passed a few cars. He passed a few cars, a bicyclist, this and that. He probably broke a couple of laws already, but it's hard to tell. What we do know is that the biker has recently lubed his little turn signal switch, and that's why it operates so smoothly. He should have done a how-to, but he didn't. Look at that. Beautiful. The biker times the turns perfectly as he pretends that he is on a MotoGP circuit as he enters the BQE, the Brooklyn Queens Expressway, which connects multiple boroughs of New York City. And by multiple, I mean Brooklyn and Queens. He slashes his way through traffic until he reaches an inevitable fucking traffic jam. Come on, I thought we had Corona. What is going on here? The biker weaves left and right. He does not let up. He's an animal. He has no respect. If anybody tries to do this in real world, just don't try it. There's flocks of birds everywhere, and he avoids them or hits them sometimes. For some reason, unbeknownst to us, there's traffic and people like to go slow in traffic. I don't understand why. If you see a gap, go for it. Why the hell is there traffic? Alright, we might have to pause the little presentation for a second. You know what, I'm gonna do more vlogs in that style because that's actually super fun. This whole traffic was caused by an accident, and everybody's very upset. You could see the biker accelerate out of traffic, frustrated because his time was wasted. for mere minutes, and his patience has reached its limit. You can see him shake his fist, frustrated and upset. But things are going to be okay, because he is still the king of New York City as he rides his sweet Ducati motherfucking monster up in this bitch. Look at him go. Look at him go as he approaches the scenic Brooklyn Bridge. A lot of police, a lot of state police around. And this biker passes a Honda rider and downshifts right next to him just to prove his dominance. We now see him operate his bike at insane amounts of speed around crazy turns comparable to MotoGP racers. He's going over 200 miles per hour at some sections of this ride. He's averaging 135. And now we see him coast slowly through his old neighborhood where he used to go to every day for work, but he hasn't visited due to the Rona. The Rona. Can I go left? Yes, I can. Let's explore. Haven't been this way in a minute. Interesting to see my old neighborhood. I miss this place. The biker, the insane racing motorcyclist, misses his old neighborhood of Dumbo. Stop sign. It's a little bit bumpy here. This park got some people here, there, and everywhere. Here we are. The tourists are back. Only a few, but back. The biker is racing and weaving in and out of traffic, barely missing people left and right as he savagely ruins New York City's economy single-handedly while laughing and making stupid-ass comments about nonsense. Here he is, going fast again. He's gonna loop around the building to see if he can park closer because he's lazy as fuck and walking is boring. Here he goes with a left turn, casually looks around. Watch him chase down a bicyclist and scare him so hard he poo-pooed his panties. The motorcyclist is relentless with his search for glory. He found his parking. Ladies and gents, welcome to Heavy Breathing 101. We are now walking inside the back staircase of the building where I work. I'm here to check the mail and to I have to do a few things. And I'm walking up to 3rd floor, and then it's elevator from there. The GoPro makes it seem like I'm freaking dying over here, but I promise you, I'm in top shape. Let's see. Couldn't tell which elevator to use. That's the freight elevator. This is the one. Let's go. Not bad.